Welcome to Trading HD, honest traders. We are watching SoundHound AI stock daily chart. Let's take a look at what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Wow, what a drop in the price we saw since that movement that almost reached to $25 right here. Let's see the exact day. It was the 26th of December, and from there we had this candlestick pattern, also the candlestick pattern right here, this doji right there, and from that period of kind of indecision, we could say the market started to drop lower and it broke this level of the previous support area, also breaking this one of $18 more or less, and now we have 4 consecutive red candles. Taking into account the candle of today, we will see how the market closes. Minus 6% right now while we're recording the video. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts about this. What do you think is going on, why, and also how do you see SOUN stock for the near future? Let's see this uptrend right here that started, well, not even in, I thought it was in April, but it was even earlier. You can clearly see since 2023. Let's see right here at the end of 2022 to be exact. We had this upside movement, very clear uptrend right here, more than 400%. Big correction in this case, minus 67%. From there, another upside of more than 200%. Let me erase it so you can see with more detail the data that I'm putting here. And from there, another correction. This one was very similar to the previous one at the same level, minus 67% more or less. Then we had this kind of pattern. You can see double top right there, a little breakout to the downside that was a false one, we could say, now that we're watching that information with perspective. From there, a breakout to the upper part of this resistance area, and this was a key moment for this stock because we saw an upside of more than 500%. Wow, if you were trading this when you were you were trading it when this happened, let us know in the comments. Did you close your positions? Were you watching other stocks that had similar returns? Wow, very interesting. From there, another correction very similar to the previous ones, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, almost 65% to the lower side. And from there, another clear uptrend that started here. Well, it was the original uptrend, we could say, that continued with another percentage. Let's see right there, more than 580% to almost $25. That was breaking this level that started in 2022. Let's see what price was there. Yeah, right here around $18. That level got broken out. From there, we entered into newer and higher territories right here, but from there the price got rejected to the lower side again. So now, key question for all of you honest traders, Trading HD, or everyone who's watching this video: do you think this stock will continue dropping to previous prices, or will this be another correction like the similar that occurred in the past, and will the uptrend continue, or a different scenario? Of course. Also, let's go with the 1 hour time frame to see with more detail the latest price action. And as you can see right here, once the price has broken this past resistance level, we could say, support level, the price didn't even retest. Almost right here it tried to do so and entered into a very dramatic movement right here. A lot of red candles you can see in the 1 hour time frame. This last seems to be starting in the green territory. We will see if it continues or not. So answer that key question: how do you see SoundHound stock? Do you think we'll reach lower levels again? Do you think the price will stay around here and maybe a different opinion, or do you think we'll see higher prices? Everything is possible in trading, but if you are a good and honest trader, you will be prepared for all the possible scenarios because you will know what you are going to do next, and that's more than enough. I just finished the past video, but I wanted to show you something else about SoundHound AI. Let's go with the forecast section because we have 7 Wall Street analysts offering that 1-year price forecast. You can see right there the average is just in the current price. Very interesting. The maximum one 87%, around $26, and then the minimum one $6, minus 56%. Wow, the average is just at the current price level. Very interesting. What do you think about this 7 analyst forecast? Let's go also with the seasonal section because I love this area. You know, it's very interesting to see with these stocks that have a lot of volatility. And as you can see, we have here the year-to-date perspective since 2022. Let's start with that year, minus 76% from that year-to-date perspective, remember. Then we have 2023, 61.83%. Very interesting. And then we have 2024, 853%. Wow, what a year in the year-to-date perspective. And then we have 2025 starting in the red territory with minus 31.30% at this moment. How do you think this year could end? Let us know in the comments your opinion. And you can see right here the movements. In February of 2023, more than 250% year-to-date perspective. Then the same year in March, 20%, yeah, so a big correction right there. Then another upside right here, more than 200%. So wow, a lot of volatility in this stock, and you can see this year in red is 2024. You can see the volatility there also, and 2022 started in the bullish territory right here, but entered into the downtrend and got there all the year. You can see right there, closing with a minus 76%, very dramatic year. So how do you see 2025? Also taking into account this information right here. And if you enjoyed this seasonal section, let us know in the comments below. Remember, we're using the TradingView platform. You have a link in the description below with an affiliate link. $15 discount just for you. Feel free to use it, and we really appreciate it. All the comments, all the feedback. SoundHound stock, are you trading it? Do you have different stocks in mind that you want to share with us in Trading HT community, so we can comment on them all together? We really appreciate it. Have a nice weekend. Take care. We love you. Bye bye. Subscribe, Honest Traders. Let's go.